Okay, now this is another system which is Apache Spark. So Apache Spark is much of a recent system, and it has very high performance than the Hadoop system, but it utilizes some of the existing infrastructure of Hadoop system like SDFS. So Hadoop came up with computation and the storage, which is SDFS. Hadoop, the Apache Spark utilizes the storage layer from Hadoop, and it has its own computation style, and that computation made Apache Spark much more faster than Hadoop. So this is a typical computation flow of a Spark system look like. So Spark defines several transformation and actions. One is mapper. Some of the examples are like mapping and filtering. These could be transformation. Actions are like reducing and count. So let's say your data is divided into several chunks. Each chunk is stored on each of this machine, and you define a transformation on this whole data, and also second transformation on top of it, and some action on this whole data set. Then it combines these three steps together, and it does the lazy evaluation. Lazy evaluation is something like you don't compute the answers whenever they're defined, but you compute them whenever they're required. So what it does is it take it uh, it maintains tx1, tx2, and a1, and whenever the computation is required, it combine them together and form much more optimized computation task. So in this chunk, on this blue chunk, it will run tx1 followed by tx2 lazily. Similarly, it runs on uh, this green and orange chunk as well. And once they're done, it runs this a1 chunk. Okay, so this is an example of